Hey guys, Coach D here. I got the Ultimate Dip attachment from Christopher Mosley at Mutant Metals on Instagram. I just kind of want to show you guys how it is. I love it already. It came really well packaged, as you can see the pictures here. But give you a demonstration so you guys can make a decision for yourselves. I definitely would buy it though. I already got it in the storage position, so I'm going to show you how easy it is to move off of this. This is my little base camp. So I'm just going to pull the pins out here. And as you can see the knurling on it. Now some people like a little bit more aggressive knurling or a little bit more passive. I think it's just right. He did a great job to me in hitting the point. I have people that come in and train here, and so I don't need over aggressive, but having just the right about enough, middle of the road, definitely I find it a good fit. As you can see, they're pretty easy to adjust and get out. I do like that you can take the handles out, because then for when I put my jammer arms on, I can use these as handles for my jammer arms as well. So taking this guy out, really easy. 1 inch holding on the base camp rack. I'll let him know what your rack is and he can fit it for you. So we'll slide it back in here. And all you gotta do here is push it down. Now, I will say for the pictures, I thought it would be bigger, but pretty much that's what every girl says, that's what she said. So, but overall, I think it being small like this makes it a little bit easier to store. Now, putting the handles back in, I'm gonna put them on the 3-hole. So let's do about 3 dips here and see how it feels. Pretty darn sturdy. Now you might hear the weights shaking up there. My rack is not secure to the ground because I got a lot of weight on it. But otherwise, that's pretty damn good. So if you guys would like to get one, help support a small business guy that's in our field, that's a lifter as well, definitely go to Mutant Metals on Instagram. Check out Christopher Mosley. And hey Chris, appreciate it bro. Thanks. Love.